Multiply each expression and simplify. We have negative 2 times the square root of y to the 5th times 5 times the square root of y. So in this expression, there are there are two implied multiplications. And so what we have here is just a bunch of multiplication, so we can use the commutative property to rearrange this expression. And I will rearrange it as negative 2 times 5 times the square root of y to the 5th times the square root of y. Now, negative 2 times 5 is simply negative 10. It's easy enough. And then we have the square root of y to the 5th times the square root of y. Using the product rule for radicals, that's the square root of y to the 6th. And then recalling, if we have the square root of a variable to an even exponent, we basically just kind of take half the exponent. And so then this is negative 10 y to the 3rd. Exercise B. We have negative 7 times the square root of 2x multiplied by negative 4 times the square root of 18x. Again, we have several implied multiplications here. And so since we do have all these multiplications, we can rearrange using the commutative property to negative 7 times negative 4 times the square root of 2x times the square root of 18x. And so we have 28 times the square root of 2x times 18x. So that's 28 times the square root of 36x squared. Now if we want to, we can break that up as the square root of 36 times the square root of x squared. So we have 28 times 6 times x. And let's see, 28 times 6 is 168. So 168x.